Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to add filter on Instagram. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Instagram app. Okay, then to add filter, just tap on plus icon and click on story. To add filter on Instagram story, okay, just take a picture and click on this option, add a filter, ultra HD filter, and try another filter. This option, just swipe left and change. That's all to add filter on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.